What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is just the guy didn't end up coming around to have a look at my laptop, so I've booked it in for Thursday, as he's out of town Wednesday, and yeah, probably won't have the funds till about Wednesday, Thursday anyway. So for now, I've just been going through my room, minimizing stuff. There's actually some stuff here that I might try and sell off or part with, which will minimize heaps. Yeah, I don't really know much else. So hopefully by the end of the week I will be back up and rocking with my laptop. For now I'll just be doing raw videos like this. So any screw ups will be in the video, or I'll just keep restarting if I screw up too much. So yeah, just going through my room, having a chill day. Yeah, not much can do at the moment though. I could try using my tablet, see if that's willing to cooperate with me. But yeah, other than that, just going through some stuff, bags of stuff, eskies of stuff, another bag of stuff. Yeah, stuff that I probably won't end up using or anything like that. Heaps of discs that I rarely use, but I'll still keep just in case. Yeah, a couple of things I want to show you guys as well, because I haven't shown you yet. For my 21st birthday, which was about 3 years ago, I think. 24 now. Yeah, about 3 years ago. My mum actually got this engraved for me. It says, "To Adam, happy 21st birthday, love Mum." Perfect inscriptions. I did get another kit with it as well, which I can't remember what it is. But yeah, there's that, and a couple of years before that, I think it was my 19th birthday or Christmas about 4 years ago, I think, 5 years ago nearly. My ex now bought me this 59 FJ Holden set, complete with coaster, and I haven't used it, but it has been storage and transit and all that with its condition. It's still pretty good condition, just a bit dirty, that's all. Now, yeah, I don't really know what much else to say, except that I should be up by the end of the week. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is just a quick update video. Yeah, fingers crossed I'm up by the end of the week. So yeah, that's it for now. This is just an update video. That's it for now. I'll keep everyone posted. I'll keep posting these vlogs. Hopefully I can find some better lighting. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget you can leave any feedback or any comments on any of my videos. That will help me to improve the channel. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.